Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 to the power of 16 minus 3 to the power of 10. Now I can express 16 as summation of 10 and 6. Then we have minus 3 to the power of 10. Now if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 6 minus 3 power 10. From here, we factor out 3 power 10. This divides 3 power 10, we have 3 power 6. Minus 3 power 10 divides 3 power 10, we have 1. So this will be 1. So from here, we need to find the value of 3 power 6. And remember, 3 to the power 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 243. So 3 to the power of 6 will be 243 times 3. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So that is 7 to 9. So this is 3 to the power of 10 times 7 to 9 minus 1. From here, we have 3 to the power of 10 times 7 to 9 minus 1. This is 7 to 8. So we need to find the value of 3 to the power 10. Remember, 3 to the power of 10 is 3 to the power of 5 times 2, which is 3 to the power of 5, or to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 5 is 243 raised to the power of 2. And this is 243 times 243. So 3 times 3, and 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. We add up. This is 9. 4. This is 20. 0 carry over 2 add here. 19, 1 add here. 594, 9. So we have 594, 9 times 7 to 8. To multiply this out, I can decide to do it this way. I can have 594, 9 times this is 700 plus 28. So what do? I multiply this by 700 and I also multiply this by 28. Then I add the both answers. So let's start with multiplying by 700. 594, 9 times 700. 0 times 9, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 9 again, 0 times 5, 0. Then 0 again, 0 times 9, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 9, 0 times 5, 0. Then we go to 7 times 9, that is 63, 3 carry over 6. 7 times 4, that is 28 plus 6, that is 34. 4 carry over 3. 7 times 0, 0 plus 3, have 3. 7 times 9 again, 63. So we have 3 and carry over 6. So 7 times 5, that is 35. 35 plus 6, that is 41. We add up, this is 0, 0, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 4. So here is it. This is 41,334,300. Now, we are also going to add this again. We multiply before we add. This time 594, 9 times 28. So we start 8 times 9, 72, 2 carry over 7. 8 times 4, that is 32 plus 7, 39. 9 carry over 3. 8 times 0, 0, 0 plus 3. We have 3. 8 times 9 again, 72. 2 carry over 7. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 7, we have 47. Then we also make use of, so we make use of 2. 2 times 9, 18. 8 can carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9. 8 carry over 1, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, that is 11. So we add, and once we add, we have 2 here. This becomes 17. 7 carry over 1 up here. That is 4 plus 9, 13. 3 carry over 1 up here. That is 3. 7 plus 8, that's 15. 5 and carry over 1 up here. That is 5 plus 1, that is 6. And this is 1. So we have 1,653,372. So the final step will be to add 41,334,300 plus 1,653,372. We add these two numbers together. So 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 7. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 2. This is 4. So our answer for 3 power 16 minus 3 to the power of 10 is 42,987,672. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. So guys, if you enjoyed this, any of these steps, and you follow it, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I will really appreciate that, and it will help me to keep uploading videos. So guys, that is it. I will really appreciate if you share this video. Drop on the comment box whatever you feel about this video. Thank you and see you in our subsequent edition. Thank you.